I'm Jim from AbleNet, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with the one mounting arm. The wedge on the clamp will be needed for mounting to a flat surface such as a table. If you are mounting to a circular frame, such as a wheelchair or bed frame, you will need to remove this wedge. To get started, begin by attaching the mounting arm to the table, wheelchair, or other surface you will be mounting the device to. Turn the handle on the clamp counterclockwise to open the clamp. Fit the clamp on the surface you will be mounting to, then turn the handle clockwise to tighten the clamp. Next, attach the threaded bolt on the Quick Ready mounting plate to the end of the mounting arm. Use the friction knob to adjust the mounting arm. Turn the friction knob counterclockwise to loosen. Turn the handle clockwise to tighten after positioning the mounting arm. Finally, you will need to attach the device to the mounting plate. Begin by attaching the dual lock to the mounting plate. Peel the backing off of the dual lock, then press the device onto the mounting plate and your mount is ready to use. For more great resources and ideas on how to use your AbleNet technology, go to www.ablenetinc.com and click on the help link at the top of the page.